Welcome to Be Amplified, your spiritual oasis. Here you can rediscover your superpower of simply being. Our curated collection of meditations will take you on a journey back to your natural self, where beauty, wisdom, peace, and joy reside. Join our growing community by subscribing, and then give this video a thumbs up and tell us in the comments how we can best support you moving forward. Thanks for being here, and let's begin today's meditation. Welcome to this quick body scan meditation for relaxation and letting go of stress. So please come into a comfortable position, seated or lying down, and take these first few moments to check in and see if your body needs a blanket resting over it. See if you need an extra pillow beneath your head, or if you're sitting beneath your hips. Really check in and see if the position that you've landed in is the right position for you. Adjusting your arms or your legs. And eventually arriving with a sense of satisfaction in your chosen posture. And as you arrive, take a nice deep breath in and a complete breath out. Repeat that 2 more times, breathing in through the nose nice and deeply. Breathing out completely. One more time, draw in a nice deep breath. Feel free to sigh it out, fully arriving here in the moment for this practice. And then smooth out your breath. Slowly inhaling through your nose, slowly exhaling through your nose. Feeling the gentle oscillation of breath in your body. And consider what your intention is. Why did you choose to do this meditation today? And what do you need? How would you like to feel when this meditation is complete? State your intention silently or out loud to yourself. Sealing it in with one more deep breath in through the nose. Breathing out, letting go. And then allow your attention to come to rest right on the surface of your face. Noticing your eyes, your nose, your mouth and jaw. Let your facial expression smooth out and become soft. And then notice the very crown of your head, feeling for any sensation there. Back of your head, the right side of your head, and the left side of your head. Feel your right ear and left ear. And then breathe in to your head, breathing into your face, your brain, your skull. And breathe out, relax through this area. Move your awareness down into the front of your throat, the back of your neck, the right side of your neck, and left side of your neck. Move your attention into the very center of your neck and breathe in here. And as you breathe out, let go of any tension through your neck. Shifting your awareness down into your collarbones, following the right collarbone to the right shoulder, the right elbow, right wrist, right palm of the hand, right thumb, and all four fingers. Breathe in to the entire right arm and right hand, and breathe out. Feel this arm and hand relaxing. Draw your attention back to your collarbones. Take it down through the left collarbone to your left shoulder, left elbow, left wrist, left palm of the hand, left thumb and fingers. Breathe in and let the breath fill up the entire left arm and hand. And breathe out to relax the left arm and hand. Bring your attention back to your collarbones. And then slide down your sternum. And rest your awareness within your chest. Pausing here, noticing any sensation across the front of your chest, wrapping around the right side of your rib cage to your upper back, and then wrapping around the left side of your rib cage back to the front of your chest. Feel the breath moving down into both lungs, filling them up. And as you breathe out, feel your entire rib cage and all of its contents releasing. Your heart and lungs relaxing. Drop your attention now down into your belly. Let your belly expand and blossom open as you inhale. Releasing the belly as you exhale. Feeling any sensations here in your gut. Moving into the space of your low back. Breathe into your low back. And breathe out, relax your entire abdominal area and low back space. Moving your attention into your pelvis and your hips. Take a deep breath in, stretching it all the way down into this area. Breathing out, letting your pelvis become heavier. And from the center of your pelvis, shift your attention to your right hip, right knee, right ankle, right foot, feeling all of your right toes. Notice any sensations throughout this right leg, right foot, and breathe in to this part of your body. Let the breath fill up your right leg, your right foot, and breathe out. Relax your right leg and right foot. Draw your attention back to the center of your pelvis and take it over to your left hip, left knee, left ankle, left foot. Notice any sensation here throughout this area and send the breath all the way down the left leg to the very tips of your toes. As you breathe out, let your entire left leg and left foot relax. Feel your breath flowing in. Feel your breath now flowing into your entire body and flowing out of your entire body. Breathing in, your whole body expands. Breathing out, relaxing, letting go of stress from your whole body. Take one more deep and complete inhalation and exhalation. Noticing how you feel. And remembering your intention. Bring this intention with you into whatever is next. Thanks for joining me, and have a beautiful rest of your day.